Hey folks, since more things get broken than old computers, I thought I'd do a little film on this because it shouldn't be too complicated. Alright, let me get in here and put the key in and show you what the problem is. And here's what I get when I put it in reverse. Either this distorted visual or sometimes just a green screen where it doesn't even try. So, we're going to work on the backup camera. Now luckily, access to the rear camera on this truck is very easy. Of course, here's the camera. And on the tailgate, you just have this panel with star screws on them. So let me get a tool and we'll pull this off. Got those off so fast I didn't even need to speed up the film. Alright, let me get you in here. See if I can get you at the right angle. Here's the camera. The cable at this end, the plug-in, and here's the other. I don't know which end might need some cleaning because the wires themselves, they look fine. Nothing looks damaged whatsoever. But you know what it is that if you use a truck like I do, like a real truck, sometimes I'll have a load that has to stay with the tailgate down, and if it rains, water, even though this is sealed off, water gets in that tailgate because when I set it back up, a flood comes out. And that camera is awfully low in the tailgate. It might end up sitting in water if enough got in. So maybe it's this end. I might check this end first. So let me try to get it unhooked and I'll bring you back. Okay, to unplug this part of the camera, there's a tab here. So we're just going to get under it a little bit, lift the tab with a small, either a pick or the smallest screwdriver you can think of, and there we go. It's a 6-pin connector, and it's just hard to see if there's any corrosion on that end or not. There's none on the wire end. Let me see. Take off this end, just push in the tab. There. I got both ends of the cable off. Well, I just checked out the wires with my magnifiers and a bright light. There's slight oxidation on some of the contacts, like this one has aluminum contacts, but 2 of them are copper. The in here is, even with a magnifier, impossible to see, but the connections look good. So really all I'm going to do, something simple, use some deoxit on both ends of the connectors, and in the connector of the camera, and I'm going to move the connection in and out a little bit to try to clean what I can't reach. The same thing goes for this. with the green line so you can match it up so you can't get confused and try to jam it on the wrong place. Now remember, deoxit not only cleans the connection but also leaves behind a film that rejects water. So it does a little bit of both. And I'll bet you that is pretty much it. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see how she does. Well, it works. Yeah, I know it's pointing straight down, but I wasn't going to put that panel back on until I tested it. It's working. Good deal. I know. Small problem, but hey, small solution.
So, I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.